Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another Canva tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be placing a gradient inside of text. Another common question which you'll find online, but this is a A4 canvas, just a simple A4 canvas. I'm just going to put a gradient in here now, so if you go into the elements and just put in gradient, you will see all the gradients. Now you won't be able to change most of these gradients, they are what they are. So if you want to change the gradient, you need to type in recolorable gradient, and you'll be able to change the colours on these. So we'll just choose this one here. I'm just going to maneuver it round so we've got the light at the top, and then just drag it out to the canvas. Something like that. And I'm just going to change the colours on this gradient now, so you can see up here. With the recolorable gradients, you can change the colours. So I'm going to change the blue to a yellow, and the purple I'll change to a red, as somebody's messaging me. Right, so you can see nice colours here. We've got red going into orange and going into yellow. Now I just want to add some text now. And obviously the thicker the text the better, because you'll see more of the gradient. So you can choose obviously heavy or bold text. I'll be choosing something like this horizon, which is bold enough. And I'll just type in, actually I'll change the colour actually. You need to change the colour to white, that's quite important. And change that to sunset. And I'll drag this out, something like that, and then drag it to the top. I'm just going to press Command and Option and duplicate that now to something like that, maybe a 31 space. And just keep dragging them down. That's quite out of line, that one. Just keep dragging them down. They don't have to be perfect. This is only a tutorial, so a lot of this is just practice. And then one more, I think we'll squeeze one more in. That will do. We'll just drag across, and we'll group these and just centre them, something like that. Lovely. Now I just need to change the actual transparency now on these, on all of these. This is an important part of the actual concept of this, so just make sure that they're all we can tick one group actually, and then just go on to the transparency and change them. Just drag it down to about 40, something like that, and that will do. You just need to save this image now, so just File and download. Just save it as a PNG, that's fine, and then just download it, and then we'll upload it again to a new file. Okay, so we've uploaded our file now. Just need to add a page underneath here, and we'll change this background to black just to get the most out of it, and then just click on the image and drag it in, pull it down. Then go to edit image. I'm going to remove the background on this now, so just click on the background remover. When it does its job, there you go. So there's our sunset image. You can see it's fairly faded, so we just need to edit it again now. Just use the adjust option, and on the brightness I'm just going to drag it down to minus 25. Saturation will be plus 25, and the contrast all the way up to 100%, and there you can see there is your sunset. You can do this with any text, whatever you want. Just a simple tutorial this, but very, very effective. You can just play about with it, enjoy yourself by experimenting with different types of gradient, different colours, different text, different fonts. That's what Canva is all about, just experimenting and enjoying yourself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial today. My name is Mark Anthony. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe for all your future Canva tutorials. But just a quick one today, and I'll see you next time. My name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you in the next Canva video tutorial. Take care, and bye for now.